Okay, so you know how to add products. Let's show you how to set up a regular page. And I like to start with About Us and Contact Us because really everyone needs those pages. You just click here on the left under Pages and then of course click Add Page. Now look, I've already added them and it's really the same sort of look and feel. So you really want to, make sure you pay attention to the title. You can add pictures in the description as well. Look, I have a picture of my beautiful sister there and a little description, which, really I do need to add more, but I'm just getting started right now. If you want to add a picture, you can click here and add a picture or a video. You can also click here to edit image and one thing I like to do is add alt text, and all the same SEO things I taught you on the product pages work here with headings and with the word count. You really want to write at least 300 words on a page, and then of course you want to edit the website SEO. It's really as simple as that. You can keep it visible or hidden as want, and sometimes you can choose different templates for pages as well. So that's pretty much it. As always, you want to remember to save the page when you're done editing. Page was saved. One other thing to point out on all these pages that you're making is I really love to encourage linking to another page in your website, something that's really helpful. And to insert a link, you can basically click this little link icon and put the link, the page that you want it to go to, and give it a little bit of a title for SEO purposes. I recommend doing that again on every page and every product that you create on your site because Google loves to see it. So you basically want to do the same thing if you're adding a Contact Us page as well. One other thing that I always recommend e-commerce store owners to do is to start blogging. And you just simply go here to blog on the left and add a blog post. And really, the setup is all the same. You got your title, you got your content, all the same SEO tips that I taught you, your featured image. For blog articles, I learned from the best, Neil Patel, and really, he encourages people to post over 2,200 word articles. I'm not going to go into that a ton right now, but really you just want to be helpful and answer questions, and it can really help draw traffic to your store if you do it right. So now we're going to create some navigation or toolbars for your website. And basically the whole point is to help customers find and purchase the products they want to purchase faster. And this is what it looks like. It basically sits at the top of any website and gives customers the most popular options of the places they're either looking for or that you want to send them. So to get there, you simply go on the left here to navigation. Shopify does make these really easy, and you really just want to start with a main menu and a footer menu. Home, About Us, Contact Us are a few of the main options I would recommend using. And I always like including a link to help people shop or find products as well. Adding too many links to the header, you can really risk clutter, and I like to keep it simple, especially if you're starting your store out. So even though you probably don't have all your products in yet, I still want you to set these up. We will use them later. So for the sake of showing you how it works, I already have a couple of them set up just to show you the ins and outs so you can set them up for yourself based on whatever products and collections you plan on introducing to your site. The main menu is usually at the top, and the footer is, of course, usually at the bottom. So let's go ahead and click on Main Menu. If you don't have one, create a new main menu. So the main menu appears at the top of every page of your store. I like keeping it simple, and each item you can convert into a drop-down as well. You can basically add items to the menu by doing this. That's basically it. You type in the name and the link of where you want it to go on the website. You can reorder them by just simply dragging like this. So just real quick, the drop-down menus, this is basically how a drop-down menu functions. You come over here, you scroll over, and it gives you more options. A lot of people use it if they sell different brands or types of products. To create one, you just simply add a new menu item. So let's just do a dummy one that says tests for purposes. It's really cool because you can either pick out a page or product or blog that you want to link to, or you can type a URL in here as well. But let's just pick a page just for giggles. We'll do reviews. We add, and here's the beauty of it. You want to sort of drag it over to make it a sub-item of another, if that makes sense. So once you've done that, then if you hover over the image on your actual website, it will populate accordingly. So it may seem a little bit out of order to you. We've set up the toolbars, pages, and domain and done some of this stuff before we started styling and designing the site, but we've done it for a reason and it'll make sense. The next few modules we dive into themes and design, and the things we've done so far are like the basic building blocks of the site, and you can always go back and change them. So I'll see you in the next video.